Welcome, my fellow health foodie enthusiasts, to a delectable journey where we'll explore the incredible world of food as medicine. In this video, we're going to dive into the world of culinary superheroes that not only satisfy your taste buds, but also serve as powerful weapons against cancer. Get ready for a sprinkle of laughter, a dash of deliciousness, and a heaping serving of knowledge as we uncover the top 10 anti-cancer foods that'll make you say, who needs a prescription when you have a plate full of goodness? Number 1. Garlic, the stinky superhero. Let's kick off our anti-cancer feast with the stinky superhero, garlic. This aromatic champion not only wards off vampires, but also helps fight cancer with its powerful antioxidant properties. Garlic's been revered for centuries for its medicinal properties, and modern research supports its potential in cancer prevention. Its organosulfur compounds, including allicin, have shown anti-cancer effects by inhibiting the growth of cancer cells and reducing inflammation. Plus, it adds a flavor kick to your dishes that'll make your taste buds do a happy dance. Just remember to keep some breath mints handy for after the meal. Number 2. Broccoli, the Green Crusader. Meet broccoli, the Green Crusader against cancer. Packed with vitamins, minerals, and cancer-fighting compounds, this veggie is like a green powerhouse on your plate. It may have caused a few childhood dinner battles, but trust us, your adult self will thank you for embracing this cruciferous champion. Who knew that eating trees could be so beneficial? Number 3. Berries, the tiny warriors of deliciousness. Ah, berries, the tiny warriors of deliciousness. These little bursts of flavor not only make your taste buds dance, but also pack a punch against cancer. Whether it's strawberries, blueberries, raspberries, or blackberries, these colorful gems are loaded with antioxidants such as anthocyanins and ellagic acid, which help combat oxidative stress and inflammation. Moreover, berries contain dietary fiber, which promotes digestive health and may reduce the risk of colorectal cancer. These mighty berries will prevent any chaotic cell from turning into cancer. So grab a handful of these fruity fighters and let the victory begin. Number 4. Turmeric, the golden healer. Imagine a spice so powerful that it's been used for centuries in ancient healing practices. Enter turmeric, the golden healer. This vibrant spice contains a compound called curcumin, known for its anti-inflammatory and cancer-fighting properties. Curcumin exhibits potent anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects, which can help prevent cancer development and progression. Just a sprinkle of turmeric can turn an ordinary dish into a golden elixir of health, or even enjoy it as a soothing cup of golden turmeric tea. Get ready to spice up your life and give cancer a run for its money. Number 5. Spinach, Popeye's secret weapon. Remember Popeye and his love for spinach? Well, turns out he was onto something. Spinach, the leafy green superhero, is not only good for your muscles, but also a formidable foe against cancer. Packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, spinach is like a secret weapon in your quest for good health. Spinach, as well as kale and Swiss chard, are nutritional powerhouses that contain chlorophyll, a pigment that has shown promise in protecting against certain cancers, particularly colorectal cancer. So channel your inner Popeye and let spinach be your green ally in the fight against cancer. Number 6. Green tea, the Zen warrior. Sip, sip, hooray for green tea, the Zen warrior. Not only does it calm your senses, but it also fights cancer with every soothing sip. Green tea has long been celebrated for its numerous health benefits, including its potential in cancer prevention. It contains polyphenols such as catechins, which exhibit antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. These compounds have been studied for their ability to inhibit tumor growth and reduce the risk of various cancers, including breast, prostate, and colorectal cancers. Green tea helps protect your cells from damage and promotes overall wellness. So sit back, relax, and enjoy a cup of this peaceful warrior while giving cancer the cold shoulder. Number 7. Tomatoes, the red-hot defense. Who would have thought that those juicy red orbs could be so powerful? Tomatoes are a versatile ingredient with a high concentration of lycopene, a powerful antioxidant known for its cancer-fighting properties. Lycopene has been associated with a reduced risk of prostate, lung, and stomach cancers. Cooking tomatoes with a little oil enhances the absorption of lycopene, so enjoy them in sauces, soups, or as part of your salads. So bring on the tomato salads, salsas, and sauces, and let your taste buds rejoice in the deliciousness while your body reaps the benefits. Number 8. Walnuts, the nutty guardians. Crack open a walnut and behold the nutty guardians that are here to protect you against cancer. These brain-shaped wonders are not just a crunchy snack. They're packed with omega-3 fatty acids and antioxidants that fight off those free radicals. Walnuts are also an excellent source of healthy fats, fiber, and various nutrients. So go nuts for walnuts, and let them be your trusty sidekicks in preventing cancer. Number 9. Carrots, the crunchy knights. Carrots, the crunchy knights of the vegetable kingdom, are not just good for your eyesight, they also play a role in cancer prevention. These root vegetables are packed with essential nutrients like beta-carotene, a powerful antioxidant that gives them their vibrant hue. Beta-carotene is converted into vitamin A in the body, which plays a vital role in maintaining healthy cells and supporting the immune system. Carrots also contain other valuable compounds such as falcarinol and falcarindiol, which have shown promising anti-cancer properties. These compounds have demonstrated the ability to inhibit the growth of cancer cells, particularly in the colon and stomach. Additionally, the high dietary fiber content in carrots promotes digestive health, aiding in the prevention of colorectal cancer. The antioxidant properties of carrots help neutralize harmful free radicals, which can damage cells and contribute to the development of cancer. By reducing oxidative stress and inflammation, carrots support overall cellular health and protect against DNA damage. So, munch on those crunchy delights and let your taste buds and health rejoice in unison. Number 10. Dark chocolate, the sweet savior. Last but certainly not least, we have the sweet savior, dark chocolate. Indulging in a square of dark chocolate not only brings joy to your taste buds, but also provides a dose of powerful antioxidants called flavonoids. These little gems help protect your cells from damage and give cancer a run for its money. It's important to note that not all chocolate is created equal. To reap the potential health benefits, opt for dark chocolate with a high cacao content, 70% or higher, and minimal added sugars. Moderation is key as dark chocolate is still calorie dense and excessive consumption may lead to weight gain. It's important to remember that dark chocolate should be enjoyed as part of a balanced and varied diet that includes a wide range of fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins. For a healthy treat, savor the sweetness of dark chocolate guilt-free, and let it be your delicious ally in the fight against cancer. Now that we've unveiled the top 10 anti-cancer foods, let's spice things up a bit with some fun and quirky tips to incorporate them into your diet. Create a cancer-fighting fiesta by making a broccoli and spinach salad with zesty garlic dressing. It's like a party in your mouth with anti-cancer benefits. Whip up a blueberry and walnut smoothie and call it the superhero shake. You'll feel like a caped crusader sipping on this tasty and nutritious delight. Have a turmeric Tuesday and sprinkle this golden warrior on your roasted vegetables or add it to your morning omelet. Who knew fighting cancer could be so flavorful? Organize a berrylicious brunch where you serve a colorful array of berry-infused dishes, from strawberry spinach salad to raspberry chia pudding. It's a brunch that's both delicious and health conscious. Host a tomato tango night and whip up a mouth-watering tomato-based pasta sauce. Dance your way to good health with every twirl of your fork. Throw a dark chocolate dessert party and indulge in a variety of dark chocolate treats. From chocolate-covered berries to dark chocolate truffles, it's a sweet celebration of life and anti-cancer goodness. Remember, incorporating these foods into your diet doesn't have to be a chore. It can be a delightful adventure filled with laughter and good taste. So, embrace the garlic's stinky superpowers, join the broccoli's green crusade, and savor the berry's tiny bursts of deliciousness. Let food be thy medicine, and let laughter be thy spice. As we journey through the world of food as medicine, let's savor the flavors, celebrate the goodness on our plates, and empower ourselves with the knowledge that we can make a difference in our health. With each bite, we're taking a stand against cancer and embracing a lifestyle that nourishes our bodies and feeds our souls. So, my food-loving friends, go forth and conquer the culinary kingdom of anti-cancer goodness. Let these powerful foods be your allies on the path to wellness. Laugh, eat, and enjoy the journey, one delicious bite at a time. Don't forget to like our video and subscribe to our channel for more health goodness. See you on the next one.